Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next question of miscellaneous exercise 5. Question number 7. If matrix A is equal to minus at 5 to 4, then prove that a square plus 4a minus 42 into I is equal to 0, and also with the help of it find A inverse. Okay, again, if matrix A equal to something, then prove that a square plus 4a minus 42i is equal to 0, and also with the help of it find A inverse. Okay, before prove that a square plus 4a minus 42i is equal to 0. It means left side LHS is equal to a square plus का 4a minus का 42i. Okay, is equal to a square a into a plus 4a minus 42i. I, it means identity. Matrix A into A minus at 5 to 4 into minus at 5 to 4 plus 4 into matrix A minus at 5 to 4 minus 42 into I, identity 1 0 0 1. Okay, is equal to matrix A into matrix A. First row, first column, minus 8 into minus 8 64 plus 5 into 2 10. First row second को minus 8 plus 5 minus 40 plus 20. Second row first column minus 16 plus 8 10 plus 16. Okay, plus 4 into minus 8 minus 32 plus 20 plus 8 plus 60 plus minus 42 into 1 minus 42 minus 42 into 0 0 0 minus 42. Okay, is equal to 64 plus 10, it means 74 minus 20 minus at 26 plus minus 32 20 at 16 plus minus 42 0 0 minus 42 is equal to 74 minus 32 minus 42 minus 20 plus 20 plus 0 minus 8 plus 8 plus 0 26 plus 16 minus 42 is equal to 0 0 0 0. Implies LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, because 0 0 0 is equal to 0 matrix. 0 0 0 is equal to 0 matrix. It means LHS is equal to 0. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. It means, and find the value of A inverse. Equation first. Again, from equation first, a into a minus plus 4a minus 42i is equal to 0. Okay, multiplying both sides by a inverse. Okay, implies a into a inverse plus 4a into a inverse minus 42 into I into a inverse is equal to 0 into a inverse. Okay, because a into a inverse is equal to identity, a into I is equal to a inverse into identity is equal to a inverse. Okay, by property a into a inverse is equal to I, a into I is equal to a inverse into I is equal to a inverse, implies a into a inverse is equal to I, it means a into I plus 4a into a inverse is equal to I minus I into a inverse 42a inverse is equal to 0 into something 0. Okay, again a into I matrix A plus 4i minus 42a inverse is equal to 0 implies 42a inverse is equal to a plus 4i. Okay, implies 42a inverse is equal to matrix A is equal to minus at 5 2 4 plus 4 into 1 0 0 1. Okay, is equal to minus at 5 2 4 plus 4 0 0 4 minus at plus 4 minus 5 plus 0 5 2 plus 0 2 4 plus 4 at. Okay, implies a inverse is equal to 1 upon 42 into matrix minus at plus 4 minus 4 5 2 8. Okay, that is the answer. Next question number 8. If matrix A is equal to 2 3 5 minus 2, then prove that A inverse is equal to 1 upon 19 into matrix A. Okay, left side, then prove that left side A inverse is equal to right side 1 upon 19 into A inverse. A inverse is equal to, formula of A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. It means, so determinant A is equal to 2 3 5 minus 2 implies determinant A is equal to 2 2 minus 4 minus 15 is equal to minus 19 not equal 0. So A inverse exists. Okay, because determinant A not equal 0, so A inverse exists. Upon finding the cofactor of matrix A, f11 over 2 is equal to minus 2, f12 over 3 is equal to 5 minus 5, f21 over 5 is equal to -3 and f22 over -2 is equal to 2. So Fij is equal to f11, f12, f21, f22 is equal to f11 is equal to -2, -5, -3, 2. Okay. Adjoint A is equal to transpose of matrix Fij is equal to -2, -5, -3, 2. Adjoint A is equal to Fij, transpose of Fij is equal to -2, -5, -3, 2. Now A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A implies A inverse is equal to determinant A minus 1 upon 90 into adjoint A -2, -3, -5, 2. Okay, is equal to minus into -2 plus 2, minus into -3 plus 3, it means 1 upon 19 into 2, 3, 5, -2. Okay, is equal to 1 upon 19 into matrix A. Okay, implies LHS is equal to RHS. As proved. Question number 8 complete. Next question. Question number 14. Question number 14. Find matrix A. Find matrix A if according to question according to question 1, 2, 2, 3 into matrix A into 4, 7, 3, 5 equal 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Solution. Let B A C is equal to identity. Matrix B into A matrix C is equal to identity. Implies matrix A is equal to identity into B inverse into C inverse. Implies A is equal to identity into B inverse is equal to B inverse into C inverse. Equation first. Okay, so matrix A is equal to B inverse into C inverse. Find the value of B inverse and C inverse. Okay, where matrix B is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3 and C is equal to 4, 7, 3, 5 and I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now determinant B is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 2, 4 is equal to -1. Determinant B is equal to -1, not equal 0. So B inverse exists. Okay. Again, determinant C is equal to 4, 7, 3, 5 equal to 20 minus 21 is equal to minus 1, not equal 0. Determinant C not equal 0. So C inverse exists. Okay. Next, adjoint B. Order of matrix B is equal to 2 by 2. Order of matrix C is equal to 2 by 2. Direct adjoint A, adjoint B. Adjoint B is equal to 3 1 interchange. 3 minus 2 1. Okay. And adjoint C is equal to 4 5 interchanging 4 and 5 and interchange sign 7 and 3. 5 minus 7 minus 3 4. Okay. Now B inverse is equal to adjoint B upon determinant B, and C inverse is equal to adjoint C upon determinant C. Implies B inverse is equal to determinant B minus 1 upon 1, it means minus, into adjoint B 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 1, and C inverse is equal to adjoint C upon determinant C is equal to minus 1, it means minus, into adjoint C 5 minus 7 minus 3 4. Okay. Implies B inverse is equal to minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, and C inverse is equal to minus 5 plus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Okay. From equation first, matrix A is equal to B inverse into C inverse. Matrix A equal to B inverse minus 3 2 2 minus 1 into C inverse minus 5 7 3 minus 4. First row, first column, minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15 plus 6. First row, second column, minus 21 minus 8. Second row, first column, minus 10 minus 3 plus 14 plus 4 is equal to 21 minus 29 minus 13 18. Matrix A is equal to. Okay, that is the answer. Question number 14 complete. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.